Prayer is important because you often feel like you're carrying everything on your shoulders. And really what we have to do is prepare and then place it in God's hands and let Him do the work. Here at the law offices of Tanya D. Jeffords Associates, we believe in preparation and power of prayer. That's our motto for success. We fight for what's fair. It's not about what the law is right now. Sometimes you're fighting to get the law to be what it should be. And that's what the Constitution is about. That's what we do as criminal defense attorneys. We defend the Constitution. As civil rights lawyers, what we're trying to do is put the constitutional words into play. In the Dred Scott case, if they had not kept fighting, African Americans would not have full citizenship. I think about Brown v. Board of Education. The law was not on their side. If they kept fighting to get to the right justices at the right time to make change. My idea of what's fair in a personal injury case might be different than the insurance company. Big thing for us is we try and fight for what's fair. And those are the type of cases that we try and take.
You're not guilty of what you're accused of.
I believe what happened with me will give other women at Pulaski hope.
That throughout the process, the depositions, we would always start with prayer. And we would always ask God for truth and what we need and to get the breakthroughs.
Just hate to see anybody wronged in my community, and I think people know that. With civil rights violations, getting a post-conviction case overturned, that was beautiful. Like Angela Mercer's case.
My name is Angela Mercer. I had a disabled son. He was 23 when he passed away, and they charged me with his death. I definitely know what it is to feel like there's no hope. I lost my focus on the inline in the beginning, but Ms. Jeffords helped me to get that insight again.
In criminal defense, your faith really comes into play because people's lives are on the line.
Each time she came, she would bring me scriptures. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and He will not lead you nor forsake you. Thank God I don't look like what I've been through. I'm so blessed. My freedom, Ms. Jeffords, her team, praying with me continuously. They're going to continuously fight for your freedom.
In criminal law, personal injury, or employment and labor law, as I'm fighting for what's fair, I am willing to go to trial, and I like trial. To me, putting 12 in the box is a great thing to do, and I enjoy that. We're trial lawyers from the beginning to the end.
The company had rehired somebody in my position that I was qualified for. I was the most qualified person for it, and they hired people who were less qualified. To go through that with the weight of that on me for 6 years was very difficult, and it took that long to get to a place where I was heard by a jury of my peers and they believed me. And that was extremely validating, and it was an extraordinary experience.
Here at the law offices of Tanya D. Jeffords Associates, we believe in preparation and the power of prayer. If you're feeling lost, hopeless, you need answers to your questions, call us. We are the ones who fight for what is fair.